What's up, everybody? We are back for part 2 of the TRX4M Defender portal axle install. Now, if you followed along from last time, we had to swap the helical gears from the Endura axles into the MEUS Racing portal axles because, well, the drive shafts by Endura do not fit the MEUS Racing pinion gear. I swapped the gears already off camera to save time. Let's go! Now here I decided to go with the brass Endura steering link instead of the stainless steel one that comes in the little kit there. It looks better anyway. Jesus Christ, Nick! The bolt's too short! Damn it! There we go. Righto. Ooh, look at that. Looks nice. Nice. A little bouncy. So, just like the front axle, we have to swap the gears because the Endura drive shaft does not fit. Alright, I already swapped the gears, and we're just going to slap it in. There we go. Nice, nice. Alright, everybody, this was part 2 of the MEUS Racing portal axle install on the TRX4M Defender. Part 3 coming up soon. Thanks for watching.